Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our bike ride along the scenic Toronto Waterfront Trail in Toronto, Ontario. Today we ride from Coronation Park to the beautiful Cherry Beach. As we set off, you'll find yourself surrounded by the vibrant energy of the city and the calming presence of Lake Ontario. Coronation Park is a historic spot with a rich past. It was established in 1937 to commemorate the coronation of King George VI and has since become a beloved green space for both locals and visitors. The park offers a peaceful start to our ride with its well-maintained lawns and views of the lake. As we pedal along the waterfront trail, you'll notice the stunning views of Lake Ontario on one side and the bustling cityscape on the other. The trail is a favorite among cyclists, runners, and walkers, providing a perfect path to enjoy the natural beauty and urban charm of Toronto. The Toronto Waterfront Trail stretches for miles, connecting various parks, beaches, and neighborhoods. It has become an integral part of the city's recreational landscape, offering a safe and enjoyable route for outdoor enthusiasts. The trail is also part of a larger network that extends throughout the Greater Toronto Area, showcasing the region's commitment to preserving its natural spaces. Our destination, Cherry Beach, is a popular spot for both relaxation and recreation. Known for its sandy shores and clear waters, Cherry Beach is a favorite among swimmers, sunbathers, and picnickers. The beach is also a great place for water sports, with many visitors enjoying activities like kayaking and paddleboarding. As we conclude our journey, take a moment to soak in the views and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of this beloved Toronto destination. Thank you for joining us on this ride along the Toronto Waterfront Trail in Toronto, Ontario.